Hello and welcome to Four Seasons Sharm el Sheikh in Egypt on the coast of the Red Sea. This is the largest Four Seasons resort in the world in terms of footprint. So there's lots to do and see here. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my one-bedroom suite, which is more like a private home, room 3007. Let's go inside. Just wanted to show you a little bit of the gardens there. They're very, very pretty. Okay, so in through the door, sorry about that slam. Nice tiling. You've got your little WC space on the left, which includes its own shower. Some storage over there, and there I am too. And then you walk directly into the main living area. So important to note before I give you more information on this space specifically is that the resort was expanded significantly in 2022 and the inventory is kind of muddled as a result. They have 200 or so rooms or suites that were in the original property, and the aesthetic there is much more traditional. I would say slightly old-fashioned. I far prefer the 89 new suites and villas that were opened in 2022. Of which this is one which look much more modern and to me much more welcoming. So I'm very happy with this space. Here is my bed, which has the standard Four Seasons bedding and is very, very comfortable. Then here we have a colossal bathroom. Those doors lead to dual walk-in wardrobes with lots of shelving and a safe and so on. I'm not a bat person, but I'm told that's a good bat by the person who's staying with me. Here is your dual vanities. Toiletries are by the Scandinavian brand by Fredo. This is the main shower, big enough for a number of people, and the toilet is behind the frosted glass there. I'm now going to show you the garden. Got just enough time before it gets properly dark, I think. By the way, as well as being a travel journalist and a consultant who advises luxury travel brands, I'm a travel advisor who books luxury hotel rooms around the world for clients, including this one, and I get various deals and benefits and discounts when doing so. So feel free to message about that if you'd like more info. I'll put information in the description. Right, here is the garden. And my room 3007 happens to be right beside one of the three main swimming pools you'll find in this resort. Some villas have their own private swimming pools as well. To the left, there is a Latin American restaurant called Luna. And on the horizon, just over there, the island you can make out is Saudi Arabia. Something to note here as well is that Sharm el Sheikh has access to some of the best diving and snorkeling in the world. The reefs are incredibly healthy and vibrant and beautiful in comparison to places like the Maldives. So if you're into that, this is a very good base. And the Four Seasons is regarded as the undisputed best resort in Sharm el Sheikh and potentially also in all of Europe. So there you have it. That's your room tour of Four Seasons Sharm el Sheikh's one-bedroom villa in the new updated part of the property.